The United States is celebrating its 250th anniversary, and today I'm going to show you how to design and build a custom historical keepsake water bottle for your 4th of July parade or backyard barbecue using Canva and Lively Bottle. We're going to design this water bottle using the popular Canva program with artwork we purchased on Etsy. While we usually design our own art, we love supporting other small family-owned businesses like ours. Pictured right behind me are 8 of the historic collections we just picked up. I'm going to walk you through exactly how we edited this specific American Eagle water bottle design. I'm Gary. My wife Lisa and I started Lively Bottle back in 2013. We still own and operate this business, and every single one of our bottles is printed, assembled, and shipped right here in Illinois. I have opened the Canva desktop app, and the first thing I'm going to do is click Create, and I'm going to go down to the bottom left and click Custom Size, and I'm going to use 2400 by 2400 pixels, and I create a new design. Next, I'm going to upload one of the digital pieces of art that we purchased from Etsy. I showed you a minute ago the Statue of Liberty, the American Eagle bottle, which is right here. So I'm clicking on that, and you can see how it populated the canvas for Canva. But I've decided that I want the artwork to be larger. So I'm going to grab a corner of this and stretch it and stretch it and stretch it until I like the size of it. I'm going to position this right in the middle center. I clicked on position, middle center, and now this is perfectly aligned. And now let's say we want to add a text box. I'm clicking text here, add a text box, and it printed this really small text box in the middle. So I'm enlarging it to size 100 in this editing bar. Overdid it. And I'm going to drag this down to right there. And something that's pretty cool is if you click on the text color button here, in the middle here, it shows you the colors that are in this photo. So if I want my text to be blue, it will match the blue in the American Eagle. If I want it to be red, I'm going to click red. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to put in my name, Gary. And I'm going to call that, well, I'm going to center that too. And I'm going to put that in the center. How's that? So I'm happy with this design. So the next thing I'm going to do is go way up into the top and click on the share button, then the download button. I like the size. I'm going to change this to a JPEG, and I'm going to click download. This is the beautiful printing that makes our water bottles unique. This is our manual paper cutter for small jobs. I'm using this only for illustrative purposes. We're going to make a couple more cuts and turn this into an 8-inch by 8-inch piece of film that we insert inside or between our two double-walled water bottles. After cutting the artwork, we've wrapped it around this inner water bottle. We insert it inside the outer bottle. The two bottles were engineered to fit perfectly together, and now we're going to seal them permanently so they're leak-proof and dishwasher safe. Doesn't budge. The last thing we're going to do is fill it with water, shake it upside down, and show you that it's leak-proof. Okay, let's fill this water bottle up with water. Put a lid on it. Shake it up and down. Completely dry, no leaks. Good for your backpack and purse and cup holder and gym bag and bike cage. The last thing I'm going to demonstrate is how to take our design and turn it into a 3D rendering in Lively Bottle. So I'm going to click on the design box here. It takes me to my download folder. I'm going to click on the bottle I just designed, and there it is. Uh, American Eagle, 250th year anniversary, personalized with my name. And if I want to make a purchase, I add to cart and I can make my purchase. So here's the finished product. We just made it. You watched it. It's beautiful, isn't it? If you want to design a custom keepsake for your family or crew or yourself, head to livelybottle.com where our design templates are completely free to use. Or if you love these official America 250 layouts, you can purchase them directly from our website or catch our daily flash sales on our TikTok shop. Our absolute cutoff to guarantee delivery before the July 4th holiday is June 25th, so make sure to get your files into our queue before it fills up. If you enjoyed watching how American-made gear comes together, please hit the subscribe button. It ensures that you never miss a new design drop, and it directly helps us get approved for the YouTube Partner Program so we can keep making these tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy 250th. Wow.